ट्रायल क्या है, पावर कितना बड़ा। अभी आपको मैं ट्रायल दिखाऊंगा। स्टॉप करें, गाड़ी बैक लिया। ये जो मेरा राइट लेग है, ये राइट लेग ऊपर रख लिया। ओके, नाउ आई पुट माई लेग, राइट लेग अप एंड आई एम ड्राइविंग विद ओनली क्लच एंड गियर। ओके, फर्स्ट गियर डाल रहा हूँ, फर्स्ट गियर। हैंड ब्रेक निकाल दिया हूँ, हैंड ब्रेक निकाल दिया हूँ। ओके, नो एक्सीलेटर, एक्सीलेटर is empty, vehicle is moving. Okay, now second gear, no accelerator. Now third gear. Moving in the third gear. No accelerator. Now I'm putting fourth gear. This is fourth. No accelerator. No accelerator. Okay. Now I am putting fifth gear. Fifth. Fifth gear, vehicle moving. Now I am going up, climbing up, up side. No accelerator. You can see, no accelerator. Fifth gear. My leg is here. Sorry, I am in shorts. Now I need to brake, so I am braking now. I am taking back my car. I am taking back. This is Taj Hotel. Absolute heavy, full pickup, even better than the new engine. See the same height, we just cross this height. अभी ये चढ़ाव है ना, हाइट चढ़ाव क्रॉस करके आया हम लोग, देखो चढ़ाव। नाउ वी आर गोइंग डाउन अगेन, वी आर गोइंग डाउन। ओके, नाउ आई स्टॉप हियर, विल स्टार्ट अगेन दिस टेस्ट। ओके, ब्रेक, हैंड ब्रेक निकाल दिया ना। नाउ अगेन आई एम टेकिंग माई राइट लेग अप. Let me take this. I am pressing the accelerator now. Sorry, clutch. First gear. First. Taking brake. Okay, my leg is here. Now we see. Moving. Okay, it's moving. Again, I'm taking second gear. Second. Still moving. Now I am taking third gear. Still it is moving without any gear, without an accelerator. Yes, no accelerator. Only one leg. Again we are climbing little up. Okay. Now fourth gear. In fourth gear. Every gear you can see my leg here, right leg. Now fifth gear. Vehicle moving. What speed we are going? 40 km max speed. new liquid is just fantastic. New liquid is just fantastic. And we'll check the engine heat also now. We are being going in AC only. Now I'm offing my AC. We'll check the engine heat now again. Just warm. See? Engine, no heat at all. Little warmness. Little 0.1% warmness. No heat at all. Anywhere you can touch, anywhere. This is the main, the engine, where you get more heat. Okay? Now this new liquid is success. Graphenizer 2 engine heat success.
Graphenizer 2 G2. Instant engine heat reducer with powerful lubrication. It forms a layer inside the engine and controls friction and wear and tear. It treats metal-to-metal surfaces with powerful lubrication, increases engine's power and controls the jerk when the AC is turned on. It protects the engine if the radiator or the coolant leaks. It stops engine oil leakage and extends the engine's life. It reduces engine's heat up to 60% and no more engine oil top-up required. It extends the engine oil's life up to 40,000 kilometers. It saves engine oil up to 3 times. For an ACs, reduces the compressor noise and increases the cooling effect. Wherever oil use, Graphenizer 2 can be added there as well. Graphenizer 2 can be used in all brand new cars as well. Graphenizer 2 can be used in all types of petrol, diesel and CNG engines, gearbox differential, compressors, transformers, bearings, conveyor belts, automotives, hydraulics, small and heavy machineries and other industrial purposes. Graphenizer, a revolutionizing fuel and engine oil additive with instant result. Graphenizer is empowered with graphene, a miracle material of tomorrow's world. It is harder than diamond and 200 times stronger than steel. It cools down the overheat instantly as it is a heat conductor and more flexible than rubber. Graphenizer is formulated in Dubai by PISIQ. Graphenizer, a miracle fuel and engine oil additive, provides complete engine treatment solution to minimize the cost and maximize the performance and safety of the engine for all vehicles of petrol and diesel with instant results. Graphenizer, a complete engine treatment for all vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. Check the pollution test before and after the treatment. It is trending top #1 in Google. Search as Graphenizer, first of its kind in the world. For dealers and distributors, visit www.graphenizer.com. Call or WhatsApp